Welcome back to Crypto VIP Lobby. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Binance step by step. This will allow you to deposit money from your bank into Binance and also withdraw your profits back to your bank account. If you're new to Binance or crypto trading, this is one of the most important things to learn, so stick with me until the end. Before you can add a bank account, Binance requires identity verification, also called KYC. Log into your Binance account. Go to your profile in the top right corner. Click on Identification. Submit your documents, usually a government ID like a passport or driver's license, plus proof of address. Once verified, your account will unlock fiat deposits and withdrawals. This step is mandatory. Without KYC, you can't link a bank account. Now let's add your bank account. 1. From the Binance dashboard, go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot. 2. Click Deposit. 3. Choose your local currency, like USD, EUR, GBP, or INR. 4. Select bank transfer as your payment method. 5. Binance will ask you to enter your bank account details, such as account number, bank name, and routing or SWIFT code. Important, the bank account must be in your own name. Binance doesn't accept third-party transfers. Once added, Binance saves this bank account for future deposits and withdrawals. Let's walk through a deposit. Suppose I want to deposit 500 USD. I select USD, bank transfer, ACH or SWIFT, depending on your region. Enter the deposit amount. Binance will show me their bank details. Using my online banking app, I transfer 500 USD to the Binance account shown. Once the transfer is complete, Binance credits the money into my Fiat and Spot wallet. Depending on your country, this can take from a few minutes up to 1 to 3 business days. Now let's look at withdrawals, cashing out profits to your bank. 1. Go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot. Withdraw. 2. Select your currency, for example, USD. 3. Choose your linked bank account. 4. Enter the withdrawal amount, say $200. 5. Confirm the transaction. Binance will process the withdrawal and send it to your bank. Just like deposits, the timing depends on your region. Local transfers are usually fast, while international ones via SWIFT may take a couple of days. Let's quickly cover fees, limits, and safety. Fees. Some methods like SEPA in Europe or ACH in the US are very cheap or free. SWIFT transfers often include a fee. Limits. Your daily deposit and withdrawal limits depend on your verification level. Higher KYC, higher limits. Security. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Binance account. For larger transactions, Binance may also ask you for additional verification. One last tip. If you're dealing with large amounts, always make a small test deposit or withdrawal first to confirm your details are correct. And that's it. You now know exactly how to link your bank account to Binance for both deposits and withdrawals. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Crypto VIP Lobby for more crypto guides and trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.